Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to bring you some new content in the first of many with my Honda CBR 650R. Today we're going to focus on clutch control exercises for new riders. Now, clutch control can be one of the more frustrating and intimidating things for new riders when they first get on a bike. However, practicing the three exercises that we're going to talk about today will definitely make your experience as a new rider a lot more enjoyable. As you can see, the bike is on and I'm just in neutral. So make sure you're on a flat surface and wearing your gear. Gear is important. With the clutch lever fully depressed, I'm now in first gear. Now for this exercise, there's no acceleration, so just place your hand gently on the accelerator. Now we're going to repeatedly find the friction zone, and this is a term that you're going to want to become accustomed to. Let the clutch out slowly until you feel the motorcycle grab, which makes it start to move forward just a bit. Then pull the clutch back in to disengage it. Basically, what you're doing is you're rocking the motorcycle back and forth as you engage the clutch and find that friction zone, then disengage it, and then push the motorcycle back. So rocking back and forth. Even though you can't see me subtly letting the clutch out, just look at the ground and you can see the motorcycle engaging, moving forward. Then I'm disengaging the clutch, and with my feet, I'm pushing it back. To over exaggerate the point, I'm just removing my right hand off the accelerator. Now you won't do this, but you can see the bike is moving forward ever so slightly through clutch control. And it's okay to stall the motorcycle. This is what that looks like. With the clutch pulled in, just restart the bike. And this is where it gets a bit tricky for new riders. Head up and looking forward, not at your left hand or the clutch. Keep practicing this exercise until you build an early part of muscle memory, because what you want to do is find where that friction zone is and become comfortable with it. All right, now let's move on to exercise number 2. Since you know where the friction zone is, what we're going to do is let the clutch out slowly, but not fully all the way, and we're going to start to move forward and walk with the motorcycle. So find that friction zone and just hold the lever still. What you want to do is make the bike continuously move forward. If you let the clutch out too fast, the worst that will happen is you'll stall, and we've already done that. If you look down at my feet, you'll see that all I'm doing is walking the bike slowly. There's no acceleration, and again, you're just holding your clutch in the friction zone. Always keep both hands on the handles. I'm just over exaggerating the point to show that it's in the friction zone and the bike is moving on its own. Practice this exercise for as long as you want and until you feel comfortable. Once again, keep your head up and don't look at your feet. Take it slow and keep walking the bike forward. Then stop periodically by pulling the clutch all the way in, resetting by letting it back out, hitting that friction zone, and just walking the bike forward. Keep doing this exercise until it becomes comfortable. Once again, you are not using your right hand and twisting that throttle. As you feel more comfortable with that friction zone, start to combine exercises number 1 and 2. So stop the motorcycle, find that friction zone, and just rock back and forth. Then stop, let the clutch out, and start to move forward by walking the motorcycle. So again, combine both exercises. Once again, I'm just going to over exaggerate the exercise by removing my right hand from the throttle. For new riders, always keep both hands on. However, you can see I'm using clutch control and moving the bike slowly. And if you stall, no big deal. Now for exercise number 3, we're going to let the clutch fully out. Place your right leg on the foot peg. You're not going to use your right hand or accelerate. Looking straight ahead with your left hand, let the clutch fully out slowly. Now you're going fast enough to have both feet up. Once again, no acceleration. All you did was let the clutch out past the friction zone, and since you're on a flat surface, the motorcycle will start to move on its own. Now press the brakes and come to a complete stop. Reset, and we're going to try it again. And in case you were wondering how I stopped, I used the rear brake. Now repeat exercise 3. Right foot up. Look forward, not at your clutch hand, and no acceleration. Just the friction zone on the clutch. Let the clutch out slowly until you start to move forward. Now left foot up. Foot back on the brake and come to a complete stop. Keep having fun and go again. Now just to over exaggerate the point and show you that I'm not using any throttle, I'm just going to use clutch control with my left hand to get the bike moving forward. Of course, you'll be holding on with both hands. This is just for demonstration only. Now this is where your motorcycle riding becomes a totally different experience. Practicing that clutch control through any one of these 3 exercises will just start to build your confidence. And don't forget to keep your head up. You're always looking down the road you're traveling, not at the pavement below your feet. This exercise is all about rinse and repeat. So stop the motorcycle, reset, and go again. Once again, you don't need to accelerate to get the motorcycle going. Just let the clutch out slowly, hit that friction zone, and keep the momentum. Now for a quick review. The first exercise was to rock the motorcycle back and forth by letting that clutch out slowly and pulling it right back in. Second exercise, let the clutch out slowly, find that friction zone, and hold. Now walk slowly with the motorcycle. Third exercise, right foot up, head up, looking forward, no acceleration, and let the clutch out slowly to get that momentum going, then left foot up. Once again, I'm only over exaggerating by removing my right hand. Both of your hands will be on the handle. I'm just stopping the motorcycle and putting it in neutral. And there you have it. 3 quick, easy exercises to make your life a lot easier. First, rock back and forth. Second, walk with the bike. Third, let the clutch fully out. So practice these exercises for as long as you want. There's no time limit. There's only comfort and confidence. To improve clutch control as a new motorcycle rider, you must practice smooth, slow, and consistent clutch lever movements in a safe open space, like this empty parking lot. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.